All right. 14.6. Apply sum and difference formulas.
You wrote actual sum, didn't you?
Yes, like SUM. Also, can y'all see with the balloons? Are they in your way?
Yeah, we're good. They are good.
Okay.
Oh,
It's like if they're not, just let me
They're
know.
like
They must have been very distracting because you didn't plug the pencil or the lights in this morning.
I was distracted this morning.
Wow, I'm failing at your duties.
I know.
Somebody said, "Are the lights okay?" And I was like, "Yeah," and I just plugged them in.
Wait, the pencil's still not on.
Because there's a computer charging in the port at the moment.
Boo, computer.
All right, sum and difference formulas.
Is there a lot of them?
There are 3 for each.
Oh.
How many each are there?
However, I'm just going to write them as one combined thing and put the plus or minus where they're supposed to be.
Okay. Yay. That's right.
All right.
I might.
Somebody else asked me a question. What was
Yeah, it
it?
was me. How many of there's 3 of each, but how many of each are there? Each.
9.
What? Is there
There's 1 for sine, 1 for cosine, and 1 for tangent. The tangent one's going to take up 2 lines.
And there's 3 different things that go under.
No.
There's
just
three
write
for
it.
sum and then
There are
there's
3
different-
sums and 3 differences.
Okay,
I'm going to
some
write them
difference.
together and write a
You said
sign
for each.
between
I was trying to
them.
figure out how many of the
Like
each
a
there were.
SIG in between them.
Okay.
I'm tired. My legs hurt.
I haven't broken my brain.
Sorry.
The sign of A plus or minus B. Okay, make sure you do them in this order or you'll get confused. Actually, here, I will write them separate just for the sake of not confusing people.
My notes look great, and
They're hard.
Okay, you can write them together. I'm just trying not to confuse people because I feel like people are going to get confused.
Me, just me.
Okay, the sine of A plus B is equal to the sine of A cosine of B plus cosine of B, cosine of A, hello, not E, sine B. Okay, and then the difference formula for sine is the sine of A minus B is equal to the sine of A cosine of B minus the cosine of A sine of B.
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute.
She decided to write it separately.
And then there's scratches everywhere and can't see I'm left eye.
What?
I
Okay.
can't see anything. I think I'm losing vision.
Okay, so for sine, these signs are the same. Okay, positive, positive, negative, negative.
I don't like this. It's horrible.
Well, this is the easy one, so.
Oh my word.
Oh my gosh, I did that little dinky thing. Wait, signs are the same for sign.
Oh, that's not how you spell sign, bro. No, it's not.
All right, cosine of A plus B equals cosine of A, cosine of B, minus sine of A, sine of B.
Oh, these are actually kind of easy to memorize, aren't they?
Yeah, cosine of A minus B, cosine of A, cosine of B, plus sine of A, sine of B.
Oh, this is beautiful. I did spell it right. I'm just
Sines are opposite
Wait,
for cosine.
cosine of A times cosine of B?
Yeah.
But the sign, there's just one sign then of that?
No, there's 2 signs.
Oh, my bad. I can't read. I don't think, okay.
All right, and then lastly, tangent. Yes.
No, it's just never mind. It's not worth it.
Tangent is hands down the most confusing. It's not bad, it's just the most confusing. All right.
It's the most confusing, but it's not bad. It's just the most confusing.
The formula is not the confusing part. It's the plugging in numbers and having to solve it is the confusing part.
Oh,
joy.
brilliant.
Yay.
Tangent of A plus the tangent of B over 1 minus the tangent of A, tangent of B.
Ew.
Tangent of A minus B is equal to tangent of A minus tangent of B over 1 plus tangent of A, tangent of B. So for these ones,
Cry a little.
the top sign is the same. Bottom sign is opposite.
Oh my word, I can't even think.
I'm still trying to write these down. Me too.
I'm just gonna leave that there for you. Actually,
I'm still